Hello everyone, welcome to Jompie Official's series of phonics. Today we are going to learn the next letter. We have already learned the letters S, A, T, P, I, N, M, D. We are already done with these letters. Now today we are starting with the letter G. What sound does G make? G says G, G. It's not G, it's G. G, G, gun. G, G, gap. Okay, let's read. Okay. How will we read this now? What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of P? P. Let's read the word now. G, A, P, gap. One more word. How will we read this? G, A, G, gag. Another one. What is the sound of letter S? S is G, A, S, gas. Okay, a few more words. Okay, we have also learned the sound of I. What is the sound of I? E. So, P, E, G, pig. Okay, and one more. What was the sound of T? Ta, ta, a, g, tag. And one last word for today. What sound does this S make? S, s, a, g, sag. That's it for today. See you in the next video.